Hello and welcome guys to Golden Properties. This is a standalone 37-story tower with 2 and 3 BHK apartments and all modern amenities. As you enter, you will see this is the living room with unobstructed view. Moving forward, this is your kitchen with dry area. You can design this apartment the way you want. Every window in this apartment gives you a beautiful view of the surrounding. Taking a lift, this is your common washroom with all the fixtures that you will ever need. And taking a right, this is your bedroom number 1 with attached bathroom and toilet. I'm a big fan of these views. Moving ahead to the living room, let's take a look at the setting. I must say, all the windows are holding lovely views. As you can see, we are headed towards bedroom number 2. Once again, the view from this window. And here, this is your bedroom number 3. And the toilet with all the fixtures. How amazing is this? Mumbai-based. This is the corridor and the elevators. Thank you for watching this video, and also do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel.